meaning and value. It was the great Russian scholar Bakhtin who at one point spoke about the fact that whenever we communicate and we respond to something, we don't just respond to like the neutral meaning of what has been communicated to us. No, we produce an evaluative response. That means we produce a response in which the words of the others and the message of the others are being evaluated, they are being given value. Now, what is this value? This value, in his view, is a moral political value. It has to do with how particular meanings fit in society, all right? And how the production of these meanings identify you as a member of society. So in other words, how particular meanings that you produce give you an identity, a social identity that locates you in society. For instance, you can speak as an oppressor. You can speak as a racist, for instance. You can speak as a member of the precariat. You can speak from within the margins. You can speak as a woman. You can speak as a minority. You can speak as a person with a disability. And all of that will be identifiable in what you say and how you say it. All right? And in that sense, and so here is the essential non-neutrality of meaning that Bakhtin always emphasized. You know, whenever we produce words and meanings, we produce social meanings. All right? Well, in all of this, there is value encased in the stuff that we use in order to make meaning. So, meaning is value, all right? Which is why we sometimes get very upset about particular meanings and very, very angry about particular meanings, because we feel that they don't represent the value that we attach to the same things, all right? And that's why we attribute negative moral values and identities to words like the N-word. All right, if you pronounce it, it turns you into a particular person. It turns you into a racist. Okay? And a racist is a moral category, a moral identity category. And that's what he had in mind when he spoke about evaluative meaning uptake. All right? It's moral, political, and it's real. It's real. It has an effect on who you are in relation to others.